Hello students, welcome back to our e-class of St.JOSEPH'S Academy. Class 1, Subject Mathematics. Students, today we are going to study topic Adding Equal Groups. I am Anukriti Gupta. Your mathematics teacher will be guiding you for the same. Let us now have a quick revision of what we studied in the previous class. In the previous class, we studied addition exercise. In our addition exercise, we did some questions regarding additions. The addition was done. The addition in your books was given on the basis of 2-digit and single-digit numbers. In 2-digit and single-digit numbers, we had the vertical and the horizontal manner. Students, this is the horizontal manner of question representation. Let us now discuss the answers of the given worksheet. On this page you can see we have many questions, but as we have discussed in our previous class that you need to solve only the topmost line, so I will be telling you the answer of the topmost line. Starting off with 17 plus 11. Students, we will first add the ones side, which is 7 and 1. When we will add 7 and 1, we will get 8. And when we will add the 10 side, that is 1 plus 1, we will be getting 2. So the answer comes as 28. I hope you are cross-checking the answers with me. Coming to the next question, which is 17 plus 12. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 29. Students, all the rest of the questions are of carrying forward. We will not be discussing carrying forward questions for now. This worksheet was for the purpose of showing you the horizontal manner of addition. Now, let's move to today's topic now. Today's topic, as we have already discussed, is adding equal groups. Now, we need to learn what is adding equal groups. Can anyone answer me what is adding equal groups means? Okay students, so we will be learning it with a simple thing. By word we will be discussing it. Adding means to add, equal means the same amount, and groups means the place where more than one figure or more than one person are accumulated. So we will be adding equal groups. Next thing is, what is equal groups? Equal groups means same number of objects in each group. Equal groups means same number of objects in each group. Factor number of groups and the number in each group may change. For example, if we have a group of 3 crayons on one hand and in the other hand we have 3 different colors, so we are having the group of 3 crayons in our each hand. Similarly, you can see if we have a group of 3 crayons in 3 different boxes, so we will be having 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now students, why are we adding 3 plus 3 plus 3? Students, we are adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 because all the 3 colors are of different shades. All the 3 crayons are in different boxes. So we want to add all the 3 and all the boxes together. So we will be adding the equal groups. For example, you can see here I have taken the example of crayons, which is 3 plus 3 plus 3, and which will come out as 9. Now let us have a picture representation of what it is to add equal groups. As you can see, here we have 2 bicycles. So we will add 2 plus 2 because in each bicycle we are having 2 wheels. So we will be counting the number of wheels in the first picture. So in one bicycle we are having 2 wheels. So 2 plus in another bicycle we are again having 2 wheels plus 2, which will come out as 4. Students, I am leaving this to you to solve this in your copies. You can solve this in your rough copies as this is not mentioned in your course books. This is just for your practice. Coming back to the next question, we have 3 pairs of shoes. Now each pair is having 2 shoes. So in first picture we will have 2 plus 2 plus 2. Students, whatever the answer will be, we will be discussing it in the next class. Kindly note it down. The next picture is of hand. The first hand have 5 fingers, so we will write 5. The second hand has again 5 fingers, so we will again write 5. The third hand has 5 fingers, so we will again write 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 will come out as 15. Okay, coming to the next question, we have penguins. In 3 different groups we are having penguins. So you need to count only the head of the penguins. I repeat, you need to count only the head of the penguins, as the body is not visible in the picture very clearly. You can pause the video and you can zoom it on the particular head. So when you will be counting the first picture, you will be counting it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The first picture, the first group is having 10 penguins. Similarly, second and third groups are also having 10 penguins each. Coming to the fifth question, we have many pairs of socks. So students, as we have two legs, so the pair will come out in the pair of two only. Two individual socks makes a single pair. So when we will start counting, when we will count pair number 1, we have 2, pair number 2, we have 2, pair number 3, we have 2, pair number 4, we have 2, 5, again 2, 6, again 2, 7, again 2. So likewise, we are having 7 pairs of socks and one pair consists of 2 socks. So we have to write 2 7 times and we will be adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. Whatever the answer will be, we will be discussing it in the next class. Coming to the last part, we have hands. Students, in the above third question also, we had similar hands, but the groups here are different. So we will be counting. First hand is having 5 fingers. Second hand is again having 5 fingers. Third hand is having 5 fingers. Fourth hand is again having 5 fingers. And then finally fifth hand is having 5 fingers. So here only the difference is of group. In third question we have 3 groups. In fifth question we have 5 groups. You can see the number of groups increasing while the number of fingers or the objects remain the same in a single group. For example, you can see in the last question all the hands are having 5 fingers, but the number of groups have increased to 5. So we will add 5 times. You can also say it as 5 into 5. But here we will be learning adding. So it is only adding of 5 fingers 5 times. Whatever the answer will be, please note it down. We will be discussing it in the next class. Coming next to your how to solve. Students, here you can see in equal groups addition, we have equal number of groups and we are having different number of groups, but we are having equal number of objects. Like in this picture you can see we are having 4 different groups, but all the 4 different groups are having 3 snails each. You can count the number of groups. The groups are in circle. So we have 4 different groups. Now we will count the number of snail in each group. Starting from first group, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 snail in first group. So we will write 3 on the first blank. 3 snails in the second group. So we will again write 3 in the second blank. 3 snails in the fourth group. We will write 3 in the fourth blank. 3 snails in fourth group. So we will again write 3 in the fourth blank. Now adding, what will we get? 3 plus 3 plus 3. In this picture, you can see the group of snails into 3 sections, divided into 4 equal groups, as I have already explained. So when we will be adding them, we can add them in the shorter manner also. How? By adding first 2 numbers, which is 3 plus 3, 6, Then the third and fourth number, which is 3 plus 3, 6. So when we will add 6 plus 6, we will get 12. So students, we have 4 groups of 3 equals to 2 groups of 6. I hope this is little bit clear to you, as this is a completely new topic, so you will take time to adjust in the topic. We have added them in a pattern of perfect manner to make it count in equal groups. The groups are equal, the objects are equal, while the objects in the groups are not changing, but the number of groups can change. You can also open page number 82 in your course books. Page number 82 of your course books, of mathematics books. You can see the second question. We have a picture of sofa. There are 2 sofas in the first picture, and again in the second group we are having 2 sofas. So it is written 2 plus 2. So in the first group we are adding 2. Again for the second group we are adding 2. Because in each group we are having individual 2 sofas. So whatever the answer will be, you have to solve it. Now coming next to your homework section, which is you have to solve page number 82 in your course books. The course books are your mathematics books which we are following. Students, there are only 3 parts for you to solve. No need to hurry up. You can take your time. I am giving only 3 questions or only 3 parts, as this is a completely new topic. You will take time to understand, and if you face any difficulty, you can contact your mathematics teacher any point of time. You can also mention the queries in the comment box, or we will be discussing the answers in the next class also. Thank you for your patience and thank you for your concentration. I hope you have solved all the previous exercises and homework. I hope that you will be solving page number 82 by tomorrow, as we will be learning different topic tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.